Good morning, Hurricanes.
Welcome back from spring break and happy Spring Spirit Week. My name is Cecilia Pascual, your senior class vice president.
And my name is Rihanna Dela Cruz, your sophomore class secretary. Today is Monday, March 24th, and A-Day schedule periods 1 through 4.
Today, our spirit theme is Color Splash. Tomorrow is Adam Sandler Day. On Wednesday, we do not have school due to Prince Kuhio Day. Thursday is Soccer Fields and Backyard Grills, and Friday is Floral Friday.
Dress out and stop by the Plaza during lunch to play some games and win some prizes. We also invite our teachers and staff to join in.
As a reminder, throughout the week, Chapter 19 guidelines and dress code still applies. Please do not bring anything dangerous or disruptive to school.
Here is our menu for this week. DECA CTSO 2025 winners. It's with great pride to announce the winners of the 2025 DECA CTSO state competition.
Almost 500 students competed in written plans, exams, role plays, and presentations, and 9 out of 32 students from our school placed in the top 6. Please congratulate the following students.
Kapolei High School is the Hawaii DECA 2025 National Campaign winner of Community Service. Congrats to our DECA team and to Camilla Larson, Kapolei High School's first ever Hawaii DECA state officer. Fellowship of Christian Students, come and join us in a student-led Christian club, Fellowship of Christian Students, also known as Youth for Christ Kapolei High. Make friends, be encouraged, and have fun. Every second and fourth Monday of the month in G101, listen for overhead announcements for pop-up club days. Please see Mr. Hernandez, Mr. Niole, or Mrs. Ray for more information.
Fundraiser. The Kona Ice Truck will be located by the Pancakes after school on Monday, so please make sure to stop by and get some shave ice.
That's all for your Hurricane Watch news.
Be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification button. This is Cicely
I'm Rihanna.
signing off. Have a great week, Hurricane.